Jon Renau's Brooklyn is one of the synthetic styles in the 15-piece collection by Jon Renau called the PROFESSIONNEL collection. Here's an introduction to that line and how you can check it out. Hey everybody, this is Taz. Today I'm helping to introduce a Jon Renau collection called Jon Renau PROFESSIONNEL. The wigs in this collection are only sold in certain wig boutiques and select online retailers. This line was created to cater to the high standards of wig professionals because there is such an importance placed on customer care and education. This line is available through Wig Studio 1 through our personal hair consultation process. Feedback suggests that those that take advantage of the free personal hair consultation through Wig Studio 1 are ultimately more confident in their hair selections as well as long-term success in finding styles that they will love. Here at Wig Studio 1, we have a team of professional hair consultants that are ready to assist you. This is a free service that we have always offered, and there is absolutely no obligation to purchase. To set up a free personal hair consultation, you can email support@wigstudio1.com. There will also be a telephone number where you can leave your name and number and get a call back, or you can engage the live chat service at Wig Studio 1. These consultations can be done in a number of ways, whichever you're most comfortable with and what's most convenient for you. Email, telephone, or in-person consultations are available. All of the styles available in the Jon Renau's PROFESSIONNEL collection are available at Wig Studio 1 through the personal hair consultation process. Brooklyn is one of the synthetic pieces offered in that Jon Renau PROFESSIONNEL collection. It's a short to mid-length, very heavily layered, straight, modernized bob style cut. This style is right out of the box. I shook it out and I separated the weave pattern that the part was in, and that was it. That's all I've had to do. This is a fresh application of this style. But I do want to give you an idea of the packaging by running just a short clip here of the unboxing of So Brooklyn is absolutely striking in its composition. You know, it just looks so lovely. All of these layers look salon fresh. It looks modern. It looks youthful. I am liking it way better than I thought I would, just because I tend to gravitate towards styles with curl and volume. But all of this layering is just so flattering. That first layer is going to be about 6 inches, which you can see stretches nearly to my chin there. Okay, and now overall in the back, so you've got about a 9-inch layer off of the back and a 3.5-inch nape. So really that's going to give you about 10 inches in the very back, but then you have these 8.5-inch sides. I think that measurement starts from about here, because that does create a little bit of an angle and a sweeping forward movement. It's not too dramatic, but it's just a touch of fun and sassiness. So this cap, let's talk about this a moment. Made from the highest quality Jon Renau materials, this cap features a full temple-to-temple lace front, a full single monofilament top, and then is open wefted sides and back. We'll get up close on this because they have just done this to perfection. I love this color anyhow, just because the rooting is fairly light in color and it's more ashen tone. You see they bring the highlight up, but it's not dramatically banded there. The knots are very fine. The lace front is strong, yet very, very soft. It blends in beautifully to my skin tone there. And then with that monofilament top, it's nicely threaded, so you can definitely see through to the illusion of scalp no matter how you want to part it from the top. The style weighs about 3.6 ounces. It feels supremely lightweight on my head. So I just can't say enough about the freshness and modern look of this. I don't know of any other style in the Jon Renau line that even comes close to this style. I'm thinking of maybe a Marion or oh gosh, even a Victoria with the angled look. But this is just really something special. This is a fresh, really fresh look from Jon Renau. So let's talk about fibers and what makes this work so well. These fibers are like corn silk. They're super baby fine and very, very feathery light. And that's why I think this works so well with this style, because that's what these layers are all about. They're carefree, they're light, they're feathery. And although there's not a whole lot of body here, there is a ton of interest in texture and layering. And you see how these layers just meld together to give you a nice sassy look and a beautiful wispy movement. And gosh, if it's not just the perfect length, just above the collar on most people. You know, even today I've got a summery top on, tank, but you know, even in the winter with a turtleneck, it's just really flattering to the jawline where all of those layers kind of meet up. This is a low density and low permatease style. I think that's pretty obvious just by looking at the movement and seeing how it fits on my head and so forth. You don't have any real palpable permatease. So you're not going to get a lot of lift and volume, but you really don't need it because of the way this layering is done. And if you do get a little whipping of wind, or you just want to fluff it up and bring out the texture and the layers, I think it will be absolutely beautiful. The style right out of the box just is exquisite, just the way it is. If it looks a little windblown, I think it's just gonna look better and better. Let's try with my sunnies here. Beautiful. There's such a light density and low permatease. It works very well with glasses. If you're a full-time glasses wearer, you're really going to appreciate that. So I'm just going to further manipulate this style for you so you can get a sense of the movement and the layering. Everybody have an amazing day. We'll see you again soon on TAZS Wig Closet at Wig Studio 1.